Alright fam, what's good, what's good? Andy tuning back in, another simple, nice meal. They're not always simple, but today's gonna be simple, man. Something nice, real sweet. Big shout out to, what were they? The Happy Pear. The Happy Pear is the YouTube handle. Check it out, man. So what we gonna do? Nice little easy pasta. Something simple. So check it out. Got me, they said everything was in grams and milliliters, so you know they're from over the pond out there in Britain somewhere, London, so possibly. So we got some cashews. I didn't soak them overnight because I just looked it up today. So I did about maybe like 2 cups, a cup and a half of cashews, boiled some water, let them soak, and then I rinsed them just right now to get rid of the bitters. That goes in the blender. That's going to be our creamy part. Alright, now we got some roasted red peppers. They say 100 grams. I got a jar of 340. And because I'm doubling the recipe, I will add about 2/3 of whatever is in this container. Leave that, I'll add some of the juices. Okay. And because you know you gotta dope some stuff up, I'm gonna add something different. Add a little bit of this sun-dried tomato with some chipotle, just cause. All right, where we at? The juice of a half a lemon, because I'm doubling it. I'm gonna do a whole lemon. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon on my hand. Woo! Be careful if you got any cuts. It's gonna stay. Alright, you don't want no seeds up in there. Okay, that was the half. Let's go to the second half. Okay, nice and simple. Gonna add some acidity to this. Okay. Alright. Where we rocking at? Where we rocking at? Lemon juice, a little bit of salt ski. Okay, 1 pinch. Let's go 2 pinch. This is some black pepper. Can't miss that. Crack some up in the blender. You can always add more later, but you can take out. So I'm gonna add some now. We'll see what's up later. Okay, salt and pepper. Now for the milk, you can buy your vegan milk or milk substitute. I just made mine. A little simple blend of cashews, almonds, and walnuts. Now, they said 500 milliliters. So I googled it right now and it said about 2 cups, a little over 2 cups. So I'm gonna go 1. And no, I did not add any vanilla to this, just simple. So because I'm doubling it, I'm gonna go 4 and then some. Just the whole 32 ounce. Yeah, whatever. Basically 32 ounces of your vegan milk. Alright, now they said some garlic powder. I will add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm add 2 garlic cloves, just because, I mean, why not? And because if we're adding garlic powder, I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder. Just cause. Now we're gonna blend this to perfection. Swing y'all this way. Hold up, hold up. Alright, just so you don't know I'm not playing. There's my blender. Now we blend to smooth, okay? Be right back when that is done. And this is a good time to have your water boiling for your noodles, because really, it is that simple, y'all. Alright, man, I'm back. I got the noodles draining, already done cooked. The sauce has been blended. Now, I'm gonna do some things different. I added oil. They said not to use any oil. I'm gonna add some oil, man. What's pasta without a little oil? Alright, so some avocado oil, maybe a tablespoon or so on the pot. It's already been warm. It's about medium heat. Alright. There wasn't a whole lot of veggies, so I'm gonna add some. that right there is about 2 tomatoes, you know, roughly chopped. Get them a nice little, not much of a sear, but just to cook them down a little bit. Okay. Alright, get the perspective right. Okay. I'm sorry, the tripod's not that tall, so I can't be well above it, but y'all get the gist. Got my tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce in maybe a minute or two. Just want to give them a little sear. Just a little cook on, you know what I'm saying, on all the edges. I don't want raw tomatoes, but also don't want all the way cooked down and reduced tomatoes. Now, that sauce need a little tweaking. I put some, put a few things in there. What did I put? I put some of that kind of the faux seasoning. I put some mustard powder, and I put, oh yeah, some of my vegan parm that I've made prior. I believe it was a Make It Dairy Free recipe. Y'all could look them up for that recipe for the Parmesan. It just needed a little more savoriness. It was good, it was fresh, but I just wanted a little bit more flavor. I know it's gonna reduce down in the pot while I cook the sauce and with the pasta, but I just need a little bit more. I want to touch the tomato, make sure it's still not all the way warm where I want them at. Because I don't want them reduced, but I want them cooked for sure. Now it sounds a little bit better. Okay. Time to add a little bit of the sauce. They said half. I'm gonna add just enough to cover the pot. Much more savory. Now, you get this liquid, and it's kind of cold. It's gonna take a little bit of time to come back to temp. Not a big deal. Bring down the contrast so I can see the true color of this. Yeah, it's more of that kind of orangey red tone to it, almost like that salmon color they talk about. Okay. All right. That will be coming back to temp in just a little bit. Time to add our pasta. I went with a whole wheat linguine. There it is. It's cooled down because I put some water in it. I was gonna buy some vegan butter, but I don't really go that route today. Make sure. Any of that. Didn't want a little bit of Kobe. Some of this cheese right here, the Valo Life, in the pasta. So add a little bit at a time. Let's see if I'm gonna need all the pasta. That is my basil. How much basil you add? It's really up to you. They only add a little bit, and they added it whole. I kind of wanted mine a little chopped up. I'm gonna add the rest of my pasta here. Yeah, why not? Add the rest of my sauce. I'm gonna water this down just a little bit. The good stuff out. Alright, let's start incorporating everything together. a bit more cheese. Like 2/3 of the bag. Boom. Tell you, man, nice and simple recipe. I'm digging what this has to offer. And you're asking yourself, why are you making so much pasta for today? Well, I always meal prep what I cook. And basically make a shit ton of it. And that's how I do my thing. Okay. We're gonna put a lid on there. Boom. We'll come back with a picture, come back with the review. I got my salad ready. And we's about to eat, y'all. Alright, y'all, appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much. Y'all take care, man. 1 second, actually, I'll be back. Alright. What's going on, fam? Andy tuning back in for the review. Let me switch my salad in the noodles place, the pasta. Man, I was feeding in the morning. I was like, man, what am I gonna make, dude? Sometimes I be having no inspiration. And you already know, go to the YouTube streets. These vegan YouTube streets, man. Somebody gonna try to help you out. That's what I'm trying to do, man. Help you guys out. Review some of my my mentors' meals and you know, recipes. And, you know, at the end of the day, eat good throughout the week. That's what I'm trying to do, man. But check it out, man. Big shout out to the Happy Pear. I've made 1 or 2 of their recipes in the past. Can't really say off the top of my head. But we got a little roasted tomato, kind of creamy pasta, whatever it might be. The creamy coming from the cashews and the plant-based milk. I really enjoyed how easy it was, you know. Sometimes I do like getting involved like with the mole, some of the burgers, lasagna, certain things, you know. I like cooking. But sometimes, bro, I want some easy, simple. Check it out, man. I seasoned it, or I garnished it with a little sesame seeds and some black pepper. Probably end up adding some sriracha, just how I do it. But cheers, man. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay. A little sweet. A little sweetness from the basil. I was trying to fish me a tomato when I was trying to eat the pasta. We're in the summer. I'm getting a second bite. Creaminess. Nothing too hard on the roasted pepper side. Savory, sweet, creamy. That's really what I get. Not the most flavorful meal that I've had in my life, but it's good, man. I got a little plant-based chicken in the oven. I'm gonna, you know, serve that on the side like if I would a real pasta. And yeah, man, I'm enjoying it. Maybe some more basil would have worked. But it's good. I mean, you can definitely taste that the Kobe Jack. That added a good flavor. You know, I do recommend some plant-based cheese in there. I did add some of that vegan parm to the mix. Missing a little bit on the savory side. I was wondering what I could do. Add some of that shiitake powder, some of the mustard powder. I'm missing something. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe a little bit more of that chipotle that I did add. That didn't really affect the flavor as much as I thought it would. Maybe another garlic clove or 2. Their seasoning was pretty darn simple. I like to season my food pretty heavy. To be honest with you, I don't know why. Maybe I just like it that way. I grew up it that way. You know, big seasonings, big flavors is what I really enjoy. But it was good, man. Nice and creamy, something simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys are enjoying making it at home. Man, this is Andy tuning in. Man. There's not much else to say. It was good. I gave it maybe like a 6 out of 10. I haven't been doing that. I might start doing the little ratings. Yeah, man, it could be a little better. But all in all, I'm super happy. I get a nice meal throughout the week, a nice warm meal today. And yeah, man, I hope y'all are cooking at home. Hope y'all enjoying this new year. And get into the goals that you wrote down. And that's it, man. Hope y'all take it easy. Stay blessed. Be safe. And stay cooking, man. Peace.